Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to be able to use eSIM and activate eSIM on your iPhone, compatible iPhone. This is iPhone 15 Pro, latest iPhone till now, August 2023. So we go to settings. On your iPhone, go to settings. Okay, and then go to mobile data. Okay, here you can tap convert to eSIM. You will find, scroll down, eSIM, add an eSIM or convert to eSIM. So add the eSIM, your network should support that. If you not support, you need to contact your network. Add eSIM. Okay, so set up mobile service. You can transfer a phone number from a nearby iPhone or scan a QR code from your network provider. Use QR code. You need to have a QR code. You need to contact your network to provide you with the supply you with the QR code, or transfer from nearby iPhone. From another iPhone, make sure your other iPhone is passcode protected but unlocked. Must be unlocked nearby with Bluetooth connectivity turned on, and using iOS must be iOS 16 or above or later. So I prefer QR codes, so you can contact your network to get the QR code, and to be able to move your phone number from your physical SIM card to an eSIM using eSIM carrier activation or by scanning a QR code. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.